We think politicians shape history, but a concept from the sovereign individual called megapolitics argues it's actually the mechanics of force. It explains why a massive empire can suddenly collapse into tiny, isolated farming estates. When it's cheap for an invading army to seize resources, power centralizes into large governments. This profitability is called the returns to violence. When defending is easier, that power fractures. What tips the scale? First, topography and climate act as hard physical limits. They dictate how far an empire can march and collect taxes before going broke. Mountains clearly block armies, but the third variable is invisible: microbes. Local diseases create unseen biological borders that can stop a superior empire in its tracks. But the final and most powerful weight is technology. Industrial weapons made offense cheap, building the massive nation-states of the 20th century. Today, digital microprocessing flips the balance entirely. Because wealth is now digital, defending it is much easier, shifting the advantage to the individual. Whenever these four forces shift the cost of projecting power, society is forced to adapt, regardless of political ideologies. Think back to that ancient empire from the beginning, collapsing into isolated farming estates. As digital tech makes your wealth almost impossible to seize, today's massive nation-states must inevitably fracture and decentralize next.